Now we will discuss about using decimals. Okay, so suppose we want to write 1 paisa. So how to write it in decimals? For that, we should know the concept. How to present this one in decimal. Okay, so we know 100 paisa equal 1 rupees, correct? So 1 paisa equal 1 by 100 rupees. Okay, and this 1 by 100 rupees can be represented as 0.01. Okay, we know this one, how to represent a fraction as a decimal. Again, I am explaining you. If it is 1 by 100, then we can write 1, this numerator. Then from right hand side, after 2 digits, we will place decimal sign. But here only 1 digit is there. So we will put another 0 and put the decimal sign. Okay, suppose 35 by 100. Then how we can write? We will write 35, this numerator. Then from right hand side, after 2 digits, we will put the decimal sign. So the answer is 0.35. Okay. So similarly, 1 paisa equal 1 by 100 rupees equal 0.01 rupees. Okay. Now let us take another example. $0.67 paisa. So means 67 divided by 100 rupees means 0.67 rupees. Okay. Suppose 3 rupees and 25 paisa. So how we will write this one? So 3 rupees and for 25 paisa we can write 25 upon 100 rupees equal 0.25. Sorry, this one 3 rupees, this one 25 rupees. So we will write another step, 3 rupees and 0.25 rupees. So it is 3.25 rupees. Okay. Suppose 5 rupees 17 paisa. So we can write it as 5.17 rupees. How? We elaborately discussed here in our this example, 3 rupees 25 paisa. Understood? Now we know that length is measured in centimeter or meter or millimeter. Suppose 5 millimeter and we want to present it in centimeter. So how we will write? We know 10 millimeter equal 1 centimeter. Okay. So 1 millimeter equal 1 by 10 centimeter. So 5 millimeter equal 5 by 10 centimeter means 0.5 centimeter. So 5 millimeter can be written in decimal as 0.5 centimeter. Suppose we want to present it in meter. So we know that 1000 millimeter equal 1 meter. So 1 millimeter equal 1 by 1000 meter. So 5 millimeter equal 1 by 1000 multiplied by 5, that is 5 upon 1000 meter. It means we will write 5 and decimal we will put after 3 places from right. So we will write it as 0.005. Okay. And this sign is only to explain you. No need to put this one. Clear? So 5 millimeter can also be written as 0.005 meter. Okay. Let us take another example. Suppose meter and 52 centimeter. So it can be written as 7 meter and 52 divided by 100 meter, or 7 meter and 0.52 meter, means 7.52 meter. Okay. Similarly, suppose we are measuring weight, then we are measuring in gram or kilogram. Suppose we are given 200 gram. Okay, we know 1000 gram equal 1 kilogram. So 1 gram equal 1 upon 1000 kilogram. So 200 gram equal 200 upon 1000 kilogram, or it can be written as 0.200 kilogram or 0.2 kilogram. Okay, so 200 gram can be written as 0.2 kilogram. Suppose we have given 5 kilogram and 400 gram. So it can be written as 5 kilogram and 400 divided by 1000 gram, or 5 kilogram and 400 divided by 1000 kilogram. Okay, so 5 kilogram and 0.4 kilogram, or we can write 5.4, not 0.4, 5.4 kilogram. Okay. Then we will discuss about liter. Suppose 200 milliliter. We know 1000 milliliter equal 1 liter. So 1 milliliter equal 1 upon 1000 liter. So 200 milliliter equal 1 upon 1000 multiplied by 200 liter. It means 200 divided by 1000 liter, means 1 by 5. We will present in decimal. So 0.200 liter or 0.2 liter. So 200 ml can be presented as 0.2 liter. If it is given 5 liter and 300 milliliter, so it can be presented as 5.3 liter. Okay, and elaborately we have discussed in our these examples. Okay, so here I am not elaborating again, I am directly writing 5 liter and 0.3 milliliter. Suppose it was given 6 liter and 50 milliliter. So how to write it? 6 point, and here we know 3 places required. So 050 liter, or we can write it as 6.05 liter.